Hello, children. It's so lovely to see you. Today, we're going to read a wonderful story together. The name of our story is No, No, Sarah. Let's read it together, nice and slowly.
हेलो बच्चों, आज हम एक कहानी पढ़ेंगे जिसका नाम है नो नो सारा। आओ मिलकर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पढ़ें।
All right, for our first lesson, we are going to learn all about keeping our hands clean before we eat. Are you ready? Let's begin. Oh my, just look at Sarah's hands. No, no, Sarah, no, no, Sarah. Nahi, nahi, Sarah. We must not eat with dirty hands. Do not eat with dirty hands. Gande haathon se mat khao. That's much better. Always wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands before you eat. Khane se pehle haath dhwo. Well done, everyone. Now, are you ready for our next lesson? Let's find out what we should do when we need to cough or sneeze. Oh, dear me, that's not right. No, Sarah, no, Sarah. Do not cough or sneeze all over. Do not cough or sneeze all over. Har jagah khansi ya chink mat karo. So let's see the proper way to do it. We must cover our mouth carefully. Cover your mouth carefully. Apna muh ehtiyat se dhampu. Yes, always cough and sneeze into your elbow or a tissue. Always cough and sneeze into your elbow or a tissue. Hamesha keni ya tissue mein khansi or chink karo. Excellent work. Now it's very important to keep ourselves clean, but it's also important to keep the world around us clean. Let's learn how to keep our world tidy. Oh, look what Sara is about to do. No, Sara. No, Sara, we must not litter. Do not litter. Kachra mat phelao. So where should the wrapper go? That's right. You put it in the dustbin. Put it in the dustbin. Kachra dustbin mein dalo. Now look how beautiful and tidy everything is. We keep everything neat and clean. We keep everything neat and clean. Hum har cheez saaf rakhte hain. Keeping things tidy is a wonderful habit. And you know what else is wonderful? Being honest and kind to everyone around us. Let's learn about that. Oh, what's happened here? Looks like someone made a mistake. No, Sarah. We do not make excuses. Do not make excuses. Bahane mat banao. So instead, what do? We admit our mistakes honestly. We admit our mistakes honestly. Hum apni galtiyan mante hain. And you know what else good children do? We forgive others generously. We forgive others generously. Hum dusron ko maaf karte hain. You are all learning so well. I am so proud of you. For our very last lesson, we will learn about something very, very important. We are going to learn about asking for permission. Now hold on, Sarah. What are you doing? No, Sarah. No, Sarah. Do not touch your hairband. Do not touch your hairband. Dusron ki cheez mat shua. It's so important to remember this rule. Keep your hands to yourself. Keep your hands to yourself. Apne haath apne paas rakho. So, what should you always do first? We take permission first. We take permission first. Pehle ijazat lo. Wonderful. Just look at all these happy children learning together. Very good, children. You should read this again every day. Read this again every day. Shabash bacho, Rozana paro. And before we go, always remember this one important thing. Good habits make us good children. Good habits make us good children. अच्छी आदतें हमें अच्छा बनाती हैं।